Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today, let's see how to prepare methi or fenugreek chutney. Methi has many medicinal properties like lowering sugar and cholesterol levels. Also, this is the best way to include the greens in our diet. So, let's see how to prepare this delicious chutney. Heat a pan, add 4 tablespoons of sesame seeds and dry roast them on a low flame until they change in color. Now keep them aside, allow to cool. In the same pan, drizzle 1 tablespoon oil, add 3 dry red chilies, 3 green chilies, 10 garlic pods. Fry them on a low flame. Now keep them aside. Heat a wide pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, add washed and chopped methi or fenugreek leaves. Fry until the raw smell vanishes. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes of time. You can see the water starts to ooze out from the leaves. Fry until all the water is evaporated. Now add turmeric of 1/4 teaspoon, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of tamarind pulp. Cook this for another 2 minutes. Switch off the flame and allow it to cool down. Now, in the blender, first make powder of sesame seeds, then add the fried red chilies, green chilies and garlic pods and make a paste of it. Then add the fried methi leaves and make the paste. Now transfer this to a serving bowl. Next is a secret ingredient, that is chopped onions. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped onions. Leave this chutney aside for 3 to 4 hours before serving. The onions get softened and the chutney tastes awesome with hot rice. Methi turns bitter if it is not cooked properly. So follow the procedure in the video and it won't taste bitter anymore. Prepare this with less chilies for kids and they will also love this recipe. Do try this recipe and let us know how it turns in comments. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking Zindagi!